Other than them alone do community work, and the politician now stay true to them word.
When I first heard this song, I was listening, I'm like, this is catchy, I like the message. Then I heard that Don part. Before I continue, ensure that you like, follow, share, and comment. Isn't it fascinating how all of these artists, scammers, and so forth, they all seem to want to vie for donmanship the moment they get access to a certain level of money. And if they don't want to vie for donmanship, just like this guy in this song here, they're uplifting the title of donmanship or bigging up some type of don because everybody wants street cred. And don't get me wrong, I know of the benefits of a don. If somebody take your phone or your things, you can link the don and you get back your phone. Now, we have all heard the stories. You want look money for cook for your picnic them, Dan can sometimes provide it. You want school uniform for your picnic, sometimes the Dan will provide it. Dan them even throw back to school festivals for the community. Lovely, awesome. What happened when the Dan send for your daughter or your son? Because we have also heard those stories, haven't we? Let me ask again. What happens when the daughter sends for your daughter, your son, or your woman, or you? We have heard the stories. But hey, these are just my thoughts. What are yours? Share your comments in the comment section. I always want to hear from you. If you have a different perspective, don't be afraid to share it in the comment section. All I'm asking is that you be respectful, okay?